Okay, so everything is apart. Got the axle just sitting here. We got this like kind of heat color. I don't know if that's normal. I feel like it's probably not. Maybe that's because the bearing's going back. I don't know, but doesn't matter. Point is, I got this off, and I probably can't show it because once again, I'll be moving while it's moving, but maybe you can tell the hub aren't moving and the knuckle is moving. So the way this is supposed to be constructed, there's a snap ring in there, and it is there, and the bearing exists, and then the hub exists. How that's all connected, I don't know, but the snap ring is there. That was one person's suspicion, at least, was that maybe they forgot to put the snap ring in. It is there. So the thing is, though, the wheel nut, which, as you may or may not know, goes in there, attached to that, was on there loose enough that with an impact, it needed 0 uggas or duggas to remove it. It just went and it was off. So maybe it wasn't torqued enough. I don't know. But the thing is too, people were saying, oh, maybe it was a crappy bearing. And not that it can't be, but that does say Japan on there. So, I mean, let's see, what else does it say? NTN TU something, probably the part number, and then Japan AN. So, I mean, it's not, it seems like it's probably legit, but yeah, we got some wibbly wobbly going on. So, I think what I'll have to do is, I'm not actually sure, but since it's press fit, I will probably have to take this to the shop down the street. I can pull the snap ring for them, and then they're going to have to do the rest, and then they can maybe assess if this knuckle is okay. The other thing I want to look at, which we can do, so that's what the teeth look like on the new one. I still have the old axle because they let me keep it. Well, I asked them if I could keep it. I just want to see. Now, see those teeth? Let's compare them in real time. Okay? Because the other problem this had is that the ABS was acting up at like 5 miles an hour. And I don't know, if you look at those teeth, they're different. Now, maybe the spacing is all that matters, and it's not the size of the teeth. But I will have to also find out the answer to that. Because if those teeth are wrong, then that might explain why the ABS is unhappy, although I feel like it would act up before 5 miles an hour. So I don't know for sure, but we've gotten somewhere. It's apart. I will consult the internet and figure out what I should probably do next, but I made a short about it already, but as you can see, this is a new part. It has surface rust on it, but it's still got paint and everything, so it's new. The hub looks new. That lower ball joint is new. The axle looks new. It's got surface rust on it. Once again, it's winter in Michigan. There's salt everywhere. There's your new caliper and pads, and to keep it safe and shiny, the new rotor is right there. And even that has a little bit of surface rust on it because the car's been sitting for 3 days. So now here's the part that's actually old. This is probably from the car originally. That's the dust shield. That's grody. I'm surprised that it even still exists. You can see this hole's rotted out. They actually put... Now I don't... Oh, they're in the knuckle. You can see they put this giant washer on that bottom bolt so that it would actually function, because I think the hole for it's actually supposed to be here. This control arm is old. This tie rod end is old. I'm thinking if I get everything fixed and I can actually get this off of here, that I might replace it, because this boot is pretty much dead. But yeah, and there's no sway bar link because it's lifted and the front sway bars get really unhappy. So I just disconnected it and it handles fine the way it is, so it doesn't matter. I know there's a way to get different links that will actually work with the longer distance, but don't need it. So gonna do some consultation, and then tomorrow or some other day there will maybe be another update. I don't know.